Hello everyone, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. In this video, I'm going to show you how to model a door on SketchUp. Use the line tool to sketch the width of the door. We will use 1 meter for the flush door. So the next thing is to push the length 2.1. We have the door leaf right now. The next thing is to create the frame. We have a frame of 100 mm. Push it a little bit. Please like the video so it can get to more people. Subscribe to this channel because this is the channel that will optimize your design skills. We share tips and tricks for efficient modeling, visualization, rendering, and animations. Share your design ideas, ask questions, and get response from different professionals. Get a step-by-step guide on how to improve your design skills for free. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification to get more interesting videos daily. Thank you so much for subscribing. We will create the door handle, so let's use this. Use the line. Okay, that will serve as the door handle. So the tool we are using to create the door handle is the follow me tool. Click on follow me and select the surface and go alongside with it. We have the door handle here. Then we can create the lock alongside. Okay, we can use this for the lock. Okay, that's okay. So the next thing we are going to do is to add the materials. So right here you can select some SketchUp materials. Let's go with the wood. Let's use this for now. Add it all around. Let's use metal for the door handle. And the other one for chrome. That's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to get notified each time we post an interesting video like this. If you have any question or contribution, you drop it on the comment section below. Please like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Thank you. See you in our next class.